This is one of the harshest climates any creature can survive in. With blistering days and freezing nights, it's a miracle anything can live here at all. Welcome to the bedroom. This young father holds his brood for safekeeping. But then, tragedy. Left on the cold floor, she will not survive the hour. Helpless, only the icy grip of death awaits her. But then, a miracle. A father's love is strong after all. Only 1 in 100,000 stuffed animals will make it to adulthood. But for these, they will see another day.